You know that Sunday when you sat beside me? I told you.
Are you for real? So imagine if you have the machine in your house.
Yeah. Mo dìde Ọlọ́run ọba ń gbọ́. Yeah. Mo ti rìn lẹ̀.
After using the machine.
Bí mo ṣe lo machine yẹn mo lò for 45 minutes. Wàláì yeah. Mo ti lè bẹ́sẹ̀ sókè. Yeah. Jesus. Ọlọ́run, look at me. Look at me.
You weren't able to do this before.
I can't. Yeah. Look at me. Look
After
at me.
using
Okay, let me go.
After using the machine for 45 minutes, she's excited that she can move her legs. She can jump.
I can't do like this, I'll do like this.
But now, she didn't want me to show her face, but she just used this machine for just 45 minutes and she's all over the place. A quantum machine.
She was just running around because
when she was coming up,
exactly. She found it difficult to climb the stairs while coming up. When she was coming up.
She's surprised the way she got up. She's surprised. She was surprised at herself.
Before we started saying that shows our cells are still very much active.
Quantum products work.
Quantum motorcycle.
Yeah.